This telephone contract is not that easy to interpret, but I think that's pretty normal. I don't think they want us to be able to interpret those contracts. So let me see if I get this straight. For anywhere up to 75 messages, I have to pay $10, but I get 20% off. So that's $8. And if that's not easy for you, you can just set up a ratio table and say regular price is 100 ratio units and the discounted price would be 80 because it's 20% below 100, and then you can reduce that ratio as much as possible, so you'd get a ratio of 4 to 5. And then you would say the discounted price is 4/5 of the total price, and 4/5 of 10 is 8. So I'm paying $8 for the first 75, but then I have to pay another, what is that? That's an extra 6.5 cents each for the next 20 messages. So what's 20 times 6.5 cents? That's like 2 times 65 cents, which is $1.30. So altogether, I'm paying $8 for the 75 messages and another $1.30 for the 20 messages, for a total of $9.30. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.